Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make some ice cream and a waffle cone out of just two colors of Papa's clay. When people roll waffle cones, they use a cone-shaped tool to roll the waffle around it to give it that cone shape. So we're going to make our own cone tool out of foil. Then take some ochre colored Papa's clay, get it nice and conditioned, then run it through your pasta machine. Use a circle cutter or bottle cap to cut a circle out of your clay. So if you have a tool with this type of grip, roll it over your clay to give it some extra texture. And gently wrap the clay around the foil to get it that waffle cone look. An easy way to bake this without ruining it is to actually bake it on a pile of baking soda or cornstarch. Now take your chocolate brown Papa's clay and get it nice and conditioned and soft. The step is pretty easy, but it does take a bit of practice to get the hang of it. So gently knead your clay into the shape of a ball or a sphere, and then very slowly and carefully use your thumbs to pull the clay apart and back. You'll start to get this tear-like texture that looks just like ice cream. Keep on pulling it back into the shape of a ball or a sphere so that it looks like a scoop of ice cream. As you pull the clay back, you'll start to get a point on the bottom along with any excess clay, and you can use that to hold on to the ice cream scoop without ruining the texture. Bake your ice cream scoop on top of a pile of cornstarch or baking soda so that it doesn't get ruined while you bake it. After everything is baked and cooled off, put a little extra chocolate brown clay into your waffle cone to fill any empty space. Then add your ice cream scoop on top of that with a little glue if necessary. Now you've got a realistic ice cream scoop and waffle cone. You can experiment with sizes and colors to get your favorite ice cream flavors. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.